Remove the screw of battery cover. Remove the battery cover. Install the battery. Install the cover and screw. Take accessories from first aid bag. Face guard bandage tab. Piping for central oxygen source. Piping for oxygen cylinder. Repetitive adult silicone tube. Oxygen cylinder. Put ventilator into upper layer of the bag. Get two holding screws from package. Use the screws to hold ventilator. Open the side of the first aid bag. Put cylinder into lower layer of the bag. Use bandage to hold the cylinder. Confirm that the gas cylinder is fixed. Get the sample piping from package. The sample piping has 3 inlets. Connect the single one to pressure connector. Use the wet tube of dual inlets to connect the differential pressure connector. Blue tube to blue differential pressure connector. Connect silica tube to the ventilator. Connect silica tube to the flow tube. Connect serpentine pipe to the flow sensor. Then we can connect mask or test balloon. Connect cylinder with ventilator. When the ventilator in low power, we can connect the adapter. Should be careful about the anti-gap. Press the holder. We can change the cylinder to central piping. Press the power button and hold it for 3 to 5 seconds. System will be turned on. Rotate the knobs can change parameter values. Press it to confirm the settings. Using the knob can change monitoring item. These blue buttons are for different modes. Press them, we can go into corresponding mode. Then the settings value can be changed. In manual mode, it will show the icon when it is working. Press this button can enter system settings. We can change upper and lower limit. Open side, enter engineer mode. Change the general settings. And check the system log. Press it again to exit system settings. Press this button to silence alarm. Press it again to cancel. Press this button to lock the system. After that, any case is invalid. Press it again to cancel. Press and hold the power button to turn off system.